So we're doing the question negative root 45 plus root 180 minus root 125, and we're asked to simplify it. So the first thing we need to do is factor. We'll do our prime factoring. 45 divides into 5 times 9, and then 9 into 3 times 3. So we have the square root of 3 squared. We have 2 3's, 2 factors of 3, and 5. So negative root 45 becomes negative root 3 squared times 5. We know the square root of 3 squared is 3, so we have negative 3 root 5. If we do factor now 180, again it's 2 times 90, and 90 factors into 2 times 45, and 45 we've just factored into 5 times 3 times 3. So here we have 2 2's, so we have 2 squared. We have 3 times 3, which is 3 squared times 5. And so that the root of 180 becomes the square root of 2 squared times 3 squared times 5. And that the square root of 2 squared is 2, so we have 2. The square root of 3 squared is 3, so that becomes 2 times 3 and times the root of 5. So altogether, this is 6 root 5. So if I just bring this all down, I have negative 3 root 5 plus 6 root 5. And now we need to simplify the square root of 125. So 125 is divisible by 5, so we have 5 times 5, and then 5 times 25. 25 factors into 5 times 5, and so we have 5 squared. So the square root of 125 is the square root of 5 squared times 5. So we're minusing the square root of 5 squared times 5, and that gives us the square root of 5 squared is 5, so it's 5 root 5. So we're subtracting 5 root 5. Now we have like radicals. So when we have like radicals, we add or subtract the coefficients. We have negative 3 plus 8, negative 3 plus 6, and that gives us plus 3. Plus 3 minus 5 gives us negative 2. So we have negative 2 root 5 in simplest form. And that is how you would approach this question.